Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your GCash transactional history. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get one thing straight. There is a question: can you delete your GCash transaction history? So, contrary to popular belief, GCash actually does not allow a user to delete individual transaction histories from the app. Alright? There is a help center, and it explicitly states that the transaction records are permanent and it cannot be removed or edited. And this is because it complies with financial regulations, and this is to ensure transaction integrity. So while you cannot delete the history, you can view and download your transaction history as a PDF for record keeping or review purposes, and then you can edit that version of it. But on your actual app, you will not directly be allowed to do it. Some of the other options is to delete your entire account. So this will allow you to clear all of your data. You must first close your GCash account by settling all dues and submitting an official account deletion request form with a valid ID. And then you can create an account again with the same details. And that means you will have no transaction history because it's a different account. Also, account data is tagged inactive immediately, but fully deleted only after 5 years per Filipino law. You can also download transaction history via the app's request transaction history feature or clear your app cache on your device. I hope this was insightful.